Okay. So yesterday we discussed how to write the given logarithmic numbers ascending order and descending order. So by using, yesterday we learned the conditions of logarithmic, ascending order, descending order. So today we have to work on that conditions. Yesterday what we learned, so today we need to work on that. So first question in that, among the following having a negative value is, so negative value means less than 0. So less than 0 conditions, what we have? Two conditions. Okay, if x is greater than 1, a should be lies between 0 and 1. First case. Second case, if a is greater than 1, x should be lies between 0 and 1. Okay, in this, what are the numbers, such numbers like that? So 0.5, x is lies between 0 and 1, y is a also lies between 0 and 1. So we will not, both are lies between 0 and 1. We won't get less than 0. Any one number lies between 0 and 1, either x or a. Okay, so here x is greater than 1, base is lies between 0 and 1. So x is greater than 1, this 5 is greater than 1 only now. And this is lies between 0 and 2. So this value is less than 0 only now.
Yes, sir.
That means negative. And log 5 to the base 2. Log 5 to the base 2. X is greater than 1, y is greater than 1. So x is greater than a, it is greater than 1. This value will give first condition.
Yes,
Greater than 1 only now, this value.
Yes,
Next, log 1 by 5 to the base 1 by 2. Both are lies between 0 and 1 only. So we won't get less than 0. Okay, so this value. So here 1 by 5 is greater or 1 by 2 is greater? 1 by 2 is greater. If x is greater than, if x is less than a, if both x and a are lies between 0 and 1 and x is less than a, this value will give greater than 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So now this value 0.5 is greater or 0.2 is greater?
So 0.5.
0.5 is greater. Here x greater than a, that means this value is less than 1. Okay, so then which among the following negative value?
Second option, log 5 to the base 0.2.
Log 5 to the base 0.2. Option B is the correct option for that. Okay, so we can solve this condition, these questions very easily if you thoroughly practice the given conditions. Okay,
Okay,
so now the greatest number among the following, greatest number, what is the greatest number we need to find. So here if you see the observe, all the numbers are, all the bases are same. Here 2, 2, 2, the 2 is greater than 1 only na?
Yes, sir.
So if yesterday we discussed one condition, if a is greater than 1, okay, if the base is greater than 1 in the numbers, if x is greater than y, if a greater than 1, last condition, last 8th condition you can check, 8th condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then which number is the greatest? Which number is the, if which x is greater, that becomes the greatest logarithm number. So 0.5 is greater, 0.1 is greater, 0.01 is greater, 0.05 is greater.
So 0.5.
0.5 is greater. So then the greatest number among the following is option A. So log 0.5 to the base 2. Okay. Next. Log x square, 14th question. Log x square to the base 0.5 is greater than log 25 to the base 0.5. Then x is, okay, x, what is the x value we need to assume. So here we need to check a is lies between 0 and 1 or greater than 1. What is the
0 and 1.
a is lies between which two numbers? 0 and 1. So if a is lies between 0 and 1, we have condition. Last condition, what we have? If x is greater than y, if a lies between 0 and 1, then log x to the base a is less than the log y to the base a. Yes or no? So by using that condition, if this number is log x squared to the base 0.5 is greater than log 25 to the base 0.5, the given. See, suppose we can write, if x is greater than y, if a lies between 0 and 1, we can write log x to the base a is less than log y to the base a.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if it is greater than 1, it's reversely. If x is less than, this number is less than y means this is x is greater than y now.
Yes,
So
sir.
see, if it is suppose log x to the base a is greater than log y to the base a, then a is lies between 0 and 1, this x less than y now.
Yes, sir.
So these two conditions they given. A is lies between 0 and 1 only. So x is, this number is greater than this number.
Yes.
Then can I write here x square is less than 25? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, x square is less than 25 means x value must be in the given options. If you take 7 square is not less than 25. If you take 4 square is, if x is equal to 4 means 4 square is 16. So 16 is less than 25. If you take 6 square is not a less than 25. So among these, which is the correct option? 4. So x is less than 5, then x is equal to 4. So less than 5. Suppose if it is another option 2, 3, 1 is there means we can take. So 1 means you will get log 1 should not. Okay, log 1 to the any number is any base 0 only. So it is, if it is 2 also satisfies, 3 also satisfies, any number between less than 5. Okay, 4.5, 4.9 also it satisfies. Okay, so that is. So but in the given option to us we have 4. So 4 is the correct option for this. Okay, next question. If the base is, see if you see, if x is equal to log root 3 to the base 0.1, comma y equal to log 1 by 3 to the base 0.1, comma z equal to log 3 to the base 0.1, then which of the following is true here? So first, so here all are descending order. Yes, all are in the descending order. So we need to find which is a greatest, which is the smallest we need to find. So log root 3 to the base 0.1. So if you observe all the bases are same, yes? 0.10. And that base is lies between 0 and 1. So if here same this condition only. If base is lies between 0 and 1, which is the greatest number? If the number, which number is greater, that becomes smallest. Okay. See, log 5 to the 0.1, log 10 to the 0.1. Which one is greater? This one is only greater. Okay. Which number is the smallest number? That becomes greatest here. Okay, that we have to understand. So, do you know what is the value of root 3?
So 1.7. So 1.
So you can take, I am giving you that log root 3 value is 1.732. So 0.1 comma y equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 value how much can you write? Log 0.33. Okay. So 0 point base 0.1 and z equal to log 3 to the base 0.1. So can you say which is the greatest number now?
Sir, log 0.332 to the base 0.1.
Yes, x is greater, y is greater, z is greater.
Y is greater.
Y is greatest. Which number is smaller? That becomes greatest.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next greatest.
Log 1.732.
1.732 is greater, 3 is greater.
1.732.
1.732. So that is x is greater than, y is greater than z. So which is the correct option?
Second option.
Option B is the correct option for that. Okay, so next questions. Note it down. So now the remaining questions we are going to discuss that. Question number 16. Find the smallest number among the given 4 logarithmic numbers. So out of this 4 logarithmic numbers, which one is the smallest logarithmic value, we will find. So we can, so you observe the 4 numbers, so 4 numbers having same base,
Yes, sir.
and that base is lies between,
0 and 1.
so 1 by 3 is lies between 0 and 1. So if a value is lies between 0 and 1, which number is the greatest, that logarithmic value becomes smallest. Yes or no? So now log 2 by 5 to the base 1 by 3. Here 2 by 5 is how much? 0.4, and 5 by 2 is 2.5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Okay. Next 1 by 4 is 0.25. 7 by 3 is 333, so on will come.
Yes, sir.
So among these, which is the greatest number? Which one? 2.4, 0.4 or 2.5 or 0.25 or 2.3333 or 2.3 is which number among these? 0.4 is greater or 2.5 is greater or 0.25 is greater or 2.333 2.33 or 2.5 is the greatest number na here.
Yes, sir.
2.5 is the greatest number, means this logarithmic value will give the smallest value na.
Yes, sir.
So the smallest among log 2 by 5 to the base 1 by 3 and log 5 by 2 to the base 1 by 3, among these 4 numbers, this is the smallest number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2.5 is less than 2.5 is greater than 2.333. Okay. 2.3 after 2.4, 2.4 after 2.5. Yes? Next. If log x to the base a is greater than 0, which of the following condition is true? X is greater than 1, a is less than 0. So if a is less than 0 means a is negative na?
Yes, sir.
For negative values the logarithm is not defined.
Yes, sir.
So this option is eliminated. Next. If x value is lies between 0 and 1 and a value is greater than 1 means this value will give negative 0.
Yes, sir.
Negative only na?
Yes, sir.
If a is greater than 1, if x lies between 0 and 1, it is less than 0. But they given greater than 0. So this option also eliminated. Option C, 0 less than x less than 1, comma, that means x is lies between 0 and 1, a is lies between 0 and 1. So if both are lies between 0 and 1 value means that is less than 1 or greater than 1. So if it is x is greater than a means it is x is that value logarithmic value will becomes less than 1. If x is less than a means the logarithmic value will gives greater than 1. So less than 1 means it is lies between 0 1.
Yes, sir.
Greater than 1 means it may be 1 2 3 4 5 like that. So it is greater than 0 only na.
Yes, sir.
So this option is correct option. Next, fourth option, x is greater than 1, a is greater than 0. A is greater than 0 means it may be 0.5 also.
Yes, sir.
Greater than, x is greater than 1, it may be, if a is lies between 0 and 1, okay, it becomes negative will come.
Yes, sir.
Suppose for example, log 2 to the base 0. Say, suppose 1 by 5.
Yes, sir.
So this is negative only na.
Yes, sir.
X is greater than 1. 1 by 5 is greater than 0 na?
Yes, sir.
But this value is less than 0. Okay, suppose if they given greater than 1, so then it may be correct. So it is less than greater than 0 they mentioned. So that greater than 0 means this number also may be considered. So among the 4 options, which of the correct option? Option C. Next, statement 1, question number 27. Statement 1 they given. If log 1 by 3 to the base 3 is less than log 1 by 2 to the base 3. Is it correct? base is same, base is greater than 1. If the base is greater than 1, in the number which is greater, that becomes greatest, which is smaller, that becomes smallest. 1 by 3 is smaller, 1 by 2 is smaller.
So 1 by 3.
1 by 3. So then this logarithmic value is less than this logarithmic value now.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We should observe that either whether A is lies between 0 and 1 or greater than 1. Okay, so it is greater than 1. So in the number which is greater, that logarithmic value is the greatest. So this is true. And second statement, if A is greater than 1, x1 is greater than x2, then log x1 to the base A is greater than log x to the base. Yes or no?
Yes,
That
sir.
condition also true. Both are true only. Option 1, statement 1 and statement 2 are true. So which is the correct options?
First option.
First option for that. Next, question number 29, that if A is greater than 1, if A is greater than 1 and x is greater than 1, then log x to the base A is greater than 0. So if both are greater than 1, if x comma y are both are greater than 1, so we will get that value is greater than 0 only now.
Yes, sir.
First case and third case.
Yes, sir.
So first case is x, that value log x to the base A is greater than 1 if x is greater than A. Log x to the base A is less than 1 if x less than A.
Yes,
If
sir.
both are greater than 1 means we will get greater than 1 if x greater than A. If both are greater than 1, if we will get less than 1 if x less than A. Less than 1 means this value is lies between 0 and 1 only, not less than 0.
Okay, sir.
So it is, so lies between 0 and 1 means this value becomes positive only now.
Yes, sir.
It is true only now then.
Yes, sir.
Next, if A is greater than 1 and x lies between 0 and 1, then log x to the base A is greater than 0. Is it true?
No.
X is lies between 0 and 1, A is greater than 1, then it is less than 0 now. This value is less than 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is false. So which is the correct statement, correct option you have there?
So only one is true. Third
Only one is true. Next, question number 30. So whether okay, see here. So question number 30. So we need to find, in this question we are going to be find which numbers will give the negative value, which logarithmic values positive values. The product they given. So which product will become a negative, which product will give a positive. Okay, time up. 1 minute you can finish.
Okay, sir.
Okay, see, log 0 to the base 3. So log this base is greater than 1,
Yes.
but x value is lies between 0 and 1. Then it is a, if x value is, if one value is lies between 0 and 1, other one is greater than 1 means it is less than 0 only now. Negative value. It will gives negative value. And log 3 greater than 1. So both are greater than 1. X less than A means it is less than 1. Less than 1 means it is lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 means it is a positive. So negative into positive. Huh? Negative. Negative into positive. Negative. Next. Log 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means lies between 0 and 1. So 5 by 2. 2.5 greater than 1. So it is a negative. Yes or no? Log 5 to the base 10. Same. Greater than 1. Positive. Negative into positive. Negative. Next. 2 by 3 is lies between 0 and 1. 3 by 2 greater than 1. So it is negative into negative. Both are, see, this is positive will come. Both are lies between 0 and 1 and x is greater than A. So then this value is less than 1. That means it is a positive.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That is equal to negative 1. Positive, No. This 2 by 3 is, this number will gives negative only. So all are negative only will come. See.
But it was last you have told that became negative.
No, it is not positive.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
it's not positive. Next, log 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is greater than 2.5. So 2 greater than 1. So this is 1 by 5. Lies between 0 and 1. So it is a negative only. Into log 0.5 to the base 10. So 0.5 is lies between 0 and 1. It is greater than 1. It is negative value only will come now. So negative into negative, positive. Okay. So today we finish the logarithmics. We will start next. Thank you students.